Winnebago's Pure3 energy management system, powered by Volta, gives you freedom to take off-grid adventures with more power, quiet, and care for the environment. Fully replacing the traditional generator, the Pure3 energy system is easy to use and provides the same power you would enjoy plugged in at a campground. With an automotive-grade lithium-ion storage pack and 30-amp pure sine inverter, Pure3 provides all the power you need to run virtually any appliances all day, and even your air conditioner for several hours. Like any power system, there are a few good habits that will help you get the best performance. To turn on the system, simply press the on-off button above the counter near the side door. Just like a fuel gauge, the simple analog display shows the percentage charge remaining. To get the most life out of your charge, be sure to turn on the inverter only when you're using 110-volt appliances like air conditioning or the microwave. Your RV's storage system recharges in 4 ways: driving, idling, solar, or connected to shore power. Charging while driving is fastest because it takes full advantage of the 6,000-watt alternator to charge in less than an hour and a half. You can also set the vehicle to automatically charge in high idle mode whenever the battery reaches 25%. To turn on auto start, set the handbrake and press the lock button on your key fob 3 times. You can also manually charge after enabling auto start by pressing and holding the button near your steering column for 3 seconds. Charging in idle can take a few hours and may take longer depending on how many appliances you're using. Press the unlock button 3 times again to disable auto start. Pure3 also includes fuel conservation and anti-theft features. Check your manual for more details. Your RV comes standard with a 200-watt rooftop solar panel and an advanced MPPT solar controller. Whenever the Pure3 system is on and there is ample sunlight, the solar charger will automatically charge the battery. Your RV is also equipped with a connection for shore power, which you can take advantage of should you find a traditional campsite with a reliable energy source. Should your system drain down too low, it will turn off automatically and the gauge will blink red. To restart it, simply start up the vehicle or connect to shore power and press the on button to begin charging. Winnebago's Pure3 energy management system is all about freedom. Freedom to roam, freedom to camp anywhere, and freedom to live your adventure your way. Winnebago, the way to go.